Unraveling the meaning of offspring, a guide to understanding and using the term. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a word that you might have heard quite often but also might find a bit confusing: offspring. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or even having a conversation, this term can pop up in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily English. So let's get started. At its core, the term offspring refers to a person's children or the young of animals. It's a more formal or scientific term compared to words like kids or babies. When we talk about someone's offspring, we're discussing their descendants, the next generation. It's a word that is both singular and plural, so you can say an offspring when referring to one child or offspring when talking about several children. Understanding the origins of words can often help us remember their meanings. The term offspring comes from the Old English words off and springen, which means to spring forth or emerge. It paints a vivid picture of new life emerging or springing forth from its parents. This origin ties closely to its meaning. Offspring are literally those who have sprung forth from their parents. Offspring can be used in various contexts. Biology. In science, offspring is frequently used to describe the young of animals or plants resulting from reproduction. Genealogy. When tracing family trees, offspring refers to the children and subsequent generations stemming from an ancestor. Literature. Writers might use the term offspring to give a sense of formality or to emphasize the lineage of characters. It's important to note that the term isn't commonly used in casual conversation. It's more likely to be found in written English or in formal or academic discussions. Now let's see how to use offspring in sentences. The panda bear at the zoo has finally produced offspring. In his will, he left his entire estate to his offspring. The documentary focused on the lion's role in caring for its offspring. Remember, when you want to refer to someone's children in a formal context, offspring is a suitable choice. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the word offspring. Now you can confidently use this term in your English conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to incorporate new words into your vocabulary. Until our next lesson, happy learning!